this slum will become a city. I have just arrived to one of the biggest slums in the world, Dharavi in Mumbai, India, to tell you the good news. But first, you have to understand what is Dharavi. This is a place full of people from all backgrounds, businesses and faiths. This is like a mini India. Everybody works hard, everybody is enterprising, and the people are good. But the infrastructure is not. No sanitation, no running water, no hospitals for 1 million people. This is the primary water source in these tombs. This is a clinic, this is the electricity, and this is the public toilet. I can't go any closer to the toilet because it smells. This has been the case for over 100 years. In the last century, when many people moved to the big city to find better jobs, they needed a fast and cheap solution for accommodation. So they built houses right next to each other without any central planning. Everything is so compact, it's hard to get around. People used any material they could find to build a house. The houses are small and basic. But everything you see here is going to change, because India is investing $620 million exactly to rebuild this. Rebuild Dharavi entirely. Yes, rebuild a whole slum, not an evacuation. This is an upgrade. The idea is simple. Slums need a lot of space, as you can see, because there is no central planning. So what if we can plan slums a little bit better? What if instead of tiny homes with no toilet, kitchen or water, we build proper apartment complexes for many people to live in? Instead of polluting factories, we build new and modern businesses. Instead of kids running in the streets, we build new schools and playgrounds. Instead of dirty rivers, we build a proper drainage system for 1 million people. And guess what? The project has already started. Look, this number is on every house for the first time ever. We're counting every house in the slum so no one is forgotten. Over the next 7 years, India, along with Adani, has started building exactly that. This was a dream for the last 3 generations, and now it's a reality. A better version of Dharavi for the humans of Dharavi. I live in Dharavi and I want to work in the sky. I live in Dharavi. I don't have a private toilet, but I still want to work as a software engineer and to build AI models. Good luck. You'll achieve great things. But here is the best part. All the residents living in this slum will get new, bigger apartments for free. Slums existed for hundreds of years, but they do not need to exist 100 years from now. This is the river. If any kid falls in this river, they're gonna get a disease. It's unsustainable. It has to change. We can build new cities. We can make them safe. We can make them livable. We can change the lives of 1 million people. Come back here in 7 years and